Hey guys, okay, working on this 2012 Dodge Ram 1500. Going to be putting a brake controller module into it. This is the factory brake control module. So I ordered this one from Mopar Depot. It's in Canada, it's in Saskatchewan. It's an online Mopar parts service or dealer. So you can get a lot of different Mopar OEM parts. And so this one happens to be 8221-2548. It's the factory brake control module. It comes in this box here, and it also comes with the two different color trims, the bezels, package of screws, and a install manual. So the only thing you need to keep in mind if you order this brake controller to make sure it works with your vehicle is you have to have the two 4-pin connectors already under your dash near the steering column. I'll just show you that right now. So if you open the driver's side door and you look underneath, you're looking for the two connectors. There's one right there, and this is where they are from the factory, and this is the other one right here. So these are the two you're going to want. If you only have a single or nothing, then this particular part will not work for you. And you're going to have to get the one that goes with your vehicle. So this is the install of this particular one, and it replaces this little sort of storage compartment here. So let's get into it. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is just disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. So I've just got a 10mm socket here. Pull that off, put it to the side. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is we've got to remove this side piece of trim here. So it doesn't say this in the manual, but if you move this out of the way, it actually makes things a lot easier. And then these trim sticks, you don't absolutely need them, but they make it so you don't mar up your interior with any metal tools. So you're just going to get in behind here, and you're just going to pop this off, like that, and then you can see it's just those plastic tabs holding it in. They actually glide in and out fairly easy. And then you're going to want to get under here, and this steering column cover needs to come down. So you got two Phillips head screws we're going to take out. And then just move this light, then we're just going to pop this off. This is held in with those same plastic tabs. Just let that sit down. It sort of hangs on that diagnostic plug there. So we'll just leave it like that. Okay, so once you've done that, we got to remove this storage compartment. So you're going to use a, what is this, T20 Torx. Remove this front screw. You can see it's connected to the storage box. And there's one on the side here, right here. Remove that. That should loosen up. Yeah, if you pull up on the parking brake a bit, should let that come out. So we're not going to need this anymore. Okay, so then we're going to grab the appropriate color bezel that came in the package, and we're going to install it onto the brake controller. I believe yeah, that's right. And then we're going to use the two Phillips head screws that come with it. There's one Torx and two Phillips, and that's what secures it to the brake controller. One here and one in the side here. Just like that. Okay, so we're going to take our brake controller. We're going to install it where the storage compartment used to be. So note the two white tabs, they go into these slots right here first. That. And then you're going to use the screws you took out, one here and one here. And then you're going to use that additional Torx head screw that came with the kit right here. And we're going to install it. You'll see if I move it up and down, hopefully. You'll see right there, there's a spot for it. So we're going to put that screw in there. We'll just leave it a little bit loose till they're all in. Okay, and then we'll just snug them all down. I'm just gonna, I've got one hand here, but I'll just set the camera up so I can push on that as I put the screw in. We'll tighten this back. When this one helps hold everything stable. Looks good. Okay, now we just need to connect the wiring. Okay, I've got you guys right up under the dash there, so hopefully you can see clearly what I'm doing. I'm gonna get the wires here. They're just taped to the harness. And we're going to plug them into their spots. There's one, so you guys can see that. And there's the other larger 4-pin. And it actually helps if you move the parking brake out of the way. You can see it a little bit clearer. Okay, we're going to put our trim back, steering column trim. So the white tabs, don't forget they all go into their respective rectangular slots. Looks good. This light so you guys can see better. Put our screws back in. And we're going to put our trim back. I just had to put that back so I could close the door. And And then that trim, you see, it just slides into a track. And then we'll put the key in the ignition, turn it the on position, and you'll see that the brake controller did come on there, and it won't come on until you have a trailer connected. So we'll just shut it, I'll just shut it off again, turn it the on position so you can see it does activate. That's sort of like a test. And actually, oh yeah, when you press the button there, it lights up. But like I said, it probably won't light up till you have a trailer connected. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. That's a very, very easy install. I recorded this video, so if you're just doing it without making a video, you could probably do it in under 10 minutes. So very well worth it. Oh, and by the way, this video, I'm making this in February of 2023. And the brake controller was actually on sale at Mopar Parts Depot. In the company that I showed you at the start of the video. It was on sale and it was actually cheaper than I could get it from my local dealership. They ship it to your house for free. And the dealership, my local dealership, actually didn't even have it in stock. They said 4 to 6 weeks before they could get it in, maybe. So definitely check them out if you're in Canada or even the States. They literally came in like 3 days. So yeah, if you guys got any questions about this, just leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching.